At Elecaas, we believe that great electronic products start with exceptional PCB design. Our team of expert engineers combines creativity with technical precision to create PCB designs that perform. From high-speed digital to complex analog circuits, we tackle design challenges of all types and complexities. Using advanced CAD and simulation tools, we optimize every aspect of your design for performance and manufacturability. The result? PCBs that not only meet your expectations, but exceed your expectations in quality and functionality. Based in Dubai, we bring world-class PCB design capabilities to the Gulf region with a deep understanding of local market needs. Ready to bring your electronic vision to life? Partner with Elecaas for your next PCB design project. Contact us today at elecaas.com.